We, the ECC committee, welcome each and every one of you to the Founders' Day, celebrated annually on the 31st of July by St. Xavier's College, Autonomous, Mumbai. The day marks the feast of St. Ignatius of Loyola, a Spanish Catholic priest and theologian who co-founded the religious order called the Society of Jesus, or the Jesuits, who also became its first superior general at Paris in 1541. The day is also celebrated as College Day, where scholarships and prizes are rolled out to students who have displayed exceptional academic and all-round merit in the last academic year. Also uniquely, a cultural program takes place in the college hall to signify the occasion. This year, due to a global pandemic and the college primarily operating through an online platform, we, the ECC committee, present before you our very own cultural program on the online digital space, with a bunch of performances encompassing a plethora of thoughts, messages, and emotions that serve as a glitter on the canvas of every Xavierite experience. So sit back, fasten your seatbelts, and enjoy the show.
Yogic practices lead to physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. We start by chanting Om 3 times to get our mind and spirit in perfect tune. Next, we have Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a yogic warm-up which is followed by various other asanas. The first asana, Vrikshasana, is excellent for improving balance and concentration, and hence is highly recommended for students. Next asana, Janu Sirasana, is a forward bending asana that has calming effects and hence can be practiced during this pandemic. Parvatasana, as the name suggests, provides stability and strength. Kapalbhati Pranayam is an active breathing technique which involves active exhalation and passive inhalation. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is a controlled breathing technique. Both of these have immense physical and mental health benefits. These asanas have been performed by Sanjana Senani, a third-year student of microbiology.
been given to soar ever high over mountain and ocean beach, learning from what they teach, believing that we can reach way beyond.
Saviors, you gave me roots and wings. Saviors, open my eyes to things. Saviors, somewhere along the way, you taught me how to fly and how to stay. In a world outside so differently, Saviors, you help me become more me.
To walk over rough roads, to open our minds, to ask the right questions and answers to find. Even though we stand alone, we know that we have grown, all because you've shown skies beyond.
Saviors, you gave me roots and wings. Saviors, open my eyes to things. Saviors, somewhere along the way, you taught me how to fly and how to stay. In a world outside so differently, Saviors, you help me become more me.
We will now have our rector, Father Keith D'Souza, our principal, Dr. Rajendra Shinde, and our student council general secretary, Ruhi Jain, share a few words with us.
Dear staff and students, this year we are having a virtual celebration of the Feast of St. Ignatius. One of the strong features of a Jesuit education is versatility or flexibility. While it may matter that we are not enjoying the presence of one another on campus, what matters much more is the Xavier spirit which we imbibe, which should hopefully stay with us not only while in college, but far beyond our college days. The spirit of professional innovation or curiosity and the need to be inventive so as to add value to the world. The spirit of integrity, which entails the cultivation of personal peace, interpersonal harmony, and making the right choices in life. The spirit of social inclusion, where no one is left behind. As we attend to our various tasks at the start of this academic year, let us think of how we could help our larger community to respond to and emerge from this COVID crisis in a wholesome manner. The best way to celebrate the Feast of St. Ignatius would be to reach out to people in compassion and service, especially at this time. That is perhaps the best witness of a Xavier's education. Happy Feast.
Hello, fellow Xavierites. It gives me immense pleasure to meet you on this online platform on the occasion of St. Ignatius Feast, which we would have normally celebrated today in the hall, in the college. The COVID-19 doesn't allow us to do that. It would be very appropriate to remember St. Ignatius and his preaching, especially today. And I would like to quote, "Love is shown more in deeds than in words." St. Xavier's has been showing and proving time and again these words in the action. During the COVID last 2-3 months, We have helped the migrants, medical workers, patients, police, BST workers, and anyone and everyone who needed our help. All those COVID yoddhas, we have been helping them. The college has provided our hall as a quarantine center. The other preaching of St. Ignatius is magis, which means striving for excellence. And striving for excellence, which we have been doing it for last 151 years. And we will continue to strive for excellence. There's always a scope for improvement. And I'm sure as a Xavierite, we all will strive for excellence. Wish you very happy feast once again. Stay safe and thank you.
Hi, my name is Ruhi Jain and I'm the Student Council General Secretary for the year 2020. A lot has happened over the past 3 months that has fundamentally changed the way that we operate. But there is hope. The college has and will always be there for its students. There is a student council in case students need anything. There has been a coronavirus helpline set up by the Wellness Center, and there are also various socially driven initiatives by our college to protect those who have been impacted by the COVID pandemic. It's really important that as students we keep faith in ourselves and prepare in the best way that we can for the future. It's true that these are very uncertain times, but the Xavier's motto challenges you to fly. And if this isn't a challenge, then what is? And so in conclusion, I'd just like to say that we should have faith in ourselves, stick by each other, stand with each other, and get through this. Thank you.
We now have a very special segment. Brace yourselves because the Student Council of the outgoing batch has a gracious message for everyone watching.
Dear juniors,
Hey guys,
and all my fellow Xavierites.
we know this isn't what you expected.
We know. The thrill of wading through those crowds and running for those early morning lectures has been replaced by a mere click on a link to log in.
While we were all excited to be sitting in classrooms and sometimes being guilty of staring at the beautiful gargoyles outside the window, the Google Classroom Meet is all we get to see now.
We know that professors requesting you all to stay on mute doesn't really have the same feels as when professors actually yelled at us in class for talking out too loud.
Even though the world has turned upside down, yet the spirit of our college, the spirit of St. Xavier's remains.
I know a lot of struggle awaits us as we try to return back to normalcy. But if we Xavierites can go through that crowded Hogwarts staircase early in the morning to reach for that 8 a.m., we can definitely conquer anything.
Remember the n number of times Xavier's was faced with adversity and how we all emerged stronger like a phoenix? Well, in fact, jolly well, the very same fervor resides in us.
Xavier's is the sun and soil that nurtures our roots. Xavier's is the wind and spirit encouraging us to spread our wings and fly high. Embracing our Xavierite spirit, I am sure we all will be able to overcome all the difficulties in our life and will be the pioneers of the better world.
Whether the lectures are conducted online or offline, Xavier's will make sure that the education you receive will help you grow your own roots and wings and provoke you to fly higher and conquer new heights.
Many of us have found innovative ways to conquer the situation and have already started taking steps towards emerging stronger.
We are sure Xavier's cannot wait to have the woods bubbling with creativity, the classroom full of curiosity, and the library full of inquisitiveness.
But at the same time, it is important for us to stay safe, stay strong, and make the best of every moment in these difficult times.
We as students have conquered CIAs, FESs, handled QEP and SIP and ECC and passion projects and research projects and whatnot.
That too, along with the 75% attendance rule.
Well, this pandemic is yet another hurdle that we shall conquer.
Till then, be prepared, stay strong, and keep hustling.
Your time to soar will arrive soon.
For the success of any event, paying obeisance to the Lord, our gurus, and the audience is an important part of our culture. Lord Ganesha is the Lord who blesses the new beginnings. The Ganesh Vandana is an invocation to this Lord so that we can make an auspicious start to the event.
Wow, that was fantastic. Moving on, we have our very own Dr. Ashwin Pundalik from the Geology Department who will be reciting for us a couple of Marathi poems. He comes from a family of Marathi writers. Ashwin sir has served as a lecturer in Fergusson College from 2008 to 2010 and as a geologist in the Geological Survey of India from 2010 to 2012. And since then, he's been a part of St. Xavier's College. He is an active member of both Sanskrit and Marathi theatre, and after having written numerous articles for magazines and Marathi blogs, Ashwin sir loves writing about links between geological features and their references in history and old Sanskrit literature. His articles are going to be compiled into a book which is in the process of being published.
नमस्कार. मी आज आपल्यासमोर 2 मराठी कविता सादर करणार आहे. यातली जी पहिली कविता आहे ती आपल्या एकंदरीत आयुष्याबद्दल आणि आपल्या एकंदरीत जगण्याबद्दल असलेली कृतज्ञता आहे आणि दुसरी जी कविता आहे ती एक प्रार्थना आहे. पहिली कविता आहे ती कवी मंगेश पाडगावकरांची आहे. कवितेचं नाव आहे आनंद यात्री. अफाट आकाश हिरवी धरती, पुनवेची रात्र सागर भरती, पाचूंची लकेर कुरणाच्या ओठी, प्रकाशाचा गर्भ जलवंदी पोटी, अखंड नूतन मला ही धरित्री, आनंद यात्री मी आनंद यात्री. मेघांच्या उत्सवी जाहलो उन्मन, दवात तीर्थांचे घेतले दर्शन, दूर क्षितिजाची निळी भुलावण, पाशा वीण मला ठेवी खेळवून, अक्षय वीणाच घुमे माझ्या गात्री, आनंद यात्री मी आनंद यात्री. हलके काढून कंटक पायीचे, स्वरात विणिले सर मी स्वप्नांचे, हासत दुःखाचा केला मी स्वीकार, वर्षिले चांदणे पिऊन अंधार. प्रकाशाचे गाणे अवसेच्या रात्री, आनंद यात्री मी आनंद यात्री, आनंद यात्री मी आनंद यात्री. दुसऱ्या कवितेचं नाव आहे भंगुदे काठिण्य माझे आणि याचे कवी आहेत बाळ सीताराम मर्ढेकर. भंगुदे काठिण्य माझे, आमल जाऊ दे मनींचे, येऊ दे वाणीत माझ्या सूर तुझिया आवडीचे, ज्ञात हेतूतील माझ्या देगळू मालिन्य आणि, माझिया अज्ञात टाकी स्फूर्ती केंद्री त्वत बियाणी. राहू दे स्वातंत्र्य माझे फक्त उच्चारातले गा, अक्षरा आकार तुझिया फुफ्फुसांचा वाहू दे गा. लोभ जिव्हेचा जळू दे, दे थिजू विद्वेष सारा, द्रौपदीचे सत्व माझ्या लाभू दे भाषा शरीरा. जाऊ दे कार्पण्य मीचे, दे धरू सर्वांस पोटी, भावनेला येऊ दे गा शास्त्र काट्याची कसोटी. खांब दे ईर्षेस माझ्या, बाळगू तुझिया तपाचे, नेऊ दे तीतून माते शब्द तुझिया स्पंदनांचे. त्वच स्मृतीचे ओळखू दे माझिया हातासु काणू, थोर यत्ना शांती दे गा माझिया वृत्तीत बाणू. आण तुझिया लालसेची, आण लोकांची अभागी, आणि माझ्या डोळियांची पापणी ठेवीन जागी. धैर्य दे अनम्रता दे, पाहण्या जे जे पाहणे, वाकू दे बुद्धीस माझ्या तप्त पोलादाप्रमाणे. घेऊ दे आघात तीते इंद्रिय द्वारा जगाचे, पोळू दे आतून तीते गा अतिंद्रिय अर्थांचे. आशयाचा तूच स्वामी, आशयाचा तूच स्वामी, शब्दवाही मी भिकारी, मागण्याला अंत नाही आणि देणारा मुरारी. काय मागावे परिम्या, तूही कैसे काय द्यावे, तूच देणारा जिथे अन, तूच घेणारा स्वभावे. भंगू दे काठिण्य माझे, आमल जाऊ दे मनीचे, येऊ दे वाणीत माझ्या सूर तुझिया आवडीचे. धन्यवाद.
Next up, we have a classical dance performance by Sonali Das. This performance is an Odissi choreography on a semi-classical Marathi song called Man Mandira, composed in Rag Desa, which establishes the holy relationship between a guru and shishya. where the Guru shows the luminous path of being a good sadaka and having a path of your own. The piece is set in Tal Ada. The accompanying classical vocals have been sung by Ruchi Fonseca.
सहज सुखा का भोगी कुणी तळहाताच्या रेषानी सहज सुखा का भोगी कुणी स्वयं प्रकाशित तारा स्वयं प्रकाशित तारा चैतन्याचा गाभारा भरपंखातून स्वप्न उद्याचे भरपंखातून स्वप्न उद्याचे झेप घेणे पाखरा उजळून घे साधका
Next up, we have performances from the WPA. The WPA is instrumental in conducting workshops and providing various opportunities to the many talented dancers and vocalists in Xavier's. Kiara Alimao is a third-year socio-answer student who has been studying in St. Xavier's since FYJC. She is passionate about singing and performing and has been doing so professionally at various venues for the past 2 years. A qualified grade 8 vocalist, she has given music exams from various boards including Trinity Rock School and London College of Music. Today she brings to you A Million Dreams from the movie The Greatest Showman. She believes that everyone should have freedom and pursue their dreams and passions. She feels that this message is reinforced through this song.
I close my eyes and I can see a world is waiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we decide. 'Cause every night for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Wasn't that exhilarating? I'm sure all of you are loving it. But don't go away anywhere, because up next we've got Ananya Shanbag presenting a Tilana Valaji in praise of the Mother Goddess, the personification of Parashakti, the one who revels in art, dispels darkness and illuminates minds by granting knowledge.
Dim, 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 tanatirana dim, tanatadirana dim, tanam tadom tritim, dritritillana dim, dritillana dim, tillana dim, tadim, dim, 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 tanatirana dim, tanatadirana dim, tanam tadom tritim, dritritillana dim, dritillana dim, tillana dim, tadim, dim, 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 tanatirana dim, tanatadirana dim, tanam tadom tritim, dritillana dim, dritillana dim, tillana dim, tadim, dim, 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 tanadirana dim, tanatadirana dim, tanam tadom tritim, dritillana dim, dritillana dim, tillana dim, tadim, dim, 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 tanadirana dim, tanatadirana dim, tanam tadom tritim, dritillana dim, dritillana dim, tillana dim, tadim. पराशक्ति स्वरूपिणी गाये गाये ओम पराशक्ति स्वरूपिणी गाये गाये तालमेळ गीतगान नाद नृत्य संमोदिनी तालमेळ गीतगान नाद नृत्य संमोदिनी भवानी ಅಹವು ಕೊರೆದು ಹಗಲು ಇರಳು ನುಡಿವ ಭಾಗ್ಯವೇ ನೀನೇ ಅಮ್ಮೆ ಮಹಾಮಾಯೆ ಅಹವು ಕೊರೆದು ಹಗಲು ಇರಳು ನುಡಿವ ಭಾಗ್ಯವೇ ನೀನೇ ಅಮ್ಮೆ ಮಹಾಮಾಯೆ ಅಮ್ಮೆ ಮಹಾಮಾಯೆ ನಾದ್ರೆ ದಾನಿ ದೊಂದ್ರೆ ತಣದ ಜೊಣು
These are indeed tough times, and there's a desperate need for us to take care of ourselves, stay healthy, both mentally as well as physically. And there's no better therapy than music and dance, right? The IPA is working actively towards promoting and preserving the rich artistic culture of Indian music and dance. For our next performance, we have Ruchi Fonseca from TYBA Sociology. Ruchi has been training in Hindustani classical music for the last 11 years under the guidance of her guru, Mrs. Swarada Sohani ma'am, who is an Alankar and MA in classical music from the Kirana Gharana. Ruchi will be performing a classical piece called a Tirana in Rag Hamsadhwani. A Tirana uses tabla syllables like dere, na, deem and tana, and is sung at a fast pace, focusing on solely bringing out the complete feel of the rag.
Da tadre dani taranadi tom dalana tadre dani e tom dalana tadre dani taranadi tadim 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 dim tadani dim tadani dim tadani dim tadani na tadani dani dim tadani na tadani dim tadani na अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Our next performer started dancing when she was 5 and she never stopped. A semi-finalist at India's Got Talent, and yes, she has performed in several other dance shows and competitions. While hip-hop and street dance is her forte, this time she decided to step out of her comfort zone with a different style. We'll now have our WPA dance head Sanika Kadam perform on 1,000 Years by Christina Perry.
Heartbeats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Next up, the MVM, Marathi Wangmay Mandal, has a dance performance in store for us. Jogwa traditionally refers to the alms given to those who spend their lives in the service of the goddess and her various forms. The men and women part of this tradition are known as Jogta and Jogdin respectively. Though this tradition is being followed by certain communities, Other people too may seek the Jogwa, the blessing of the goddess, for relief from their problems and for prosperity. It is only in the contemporary times this Jogwa, the tradition, is being considered as a folk dance. In keeping with the tradition of seeking the Jogwa, the dance too prays to the goddess for the welfare of their devotees and aims to seek her blessing.
नदीच्या पल्ल्याड आईचा डोंगर नदीच्या पल्ल्याड आईचा डोंगर डोंगर माथ्याला देवीचं मंदिर डोंगर माथ्याला देवीचं मंदिर आलू जागर डोंगर माथ्याला आलू जागर डोंगर माथ्याला हे लल्लाटी भंडार तुझं लोटून दे अंधार आलं तुमून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार लल्लाटी भंडार तुझं लोटून दे अंधार आलो तुमून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार नदीच्या पाण्यावर गिनं फुलत नदीच्या पाण्यावर गिनं फुलत तुझ्या नजरेच्या तालावर काळी चढुलत तुझ्या नजरेच्या तालावर काळी चढुलत नाद आला ग जीवाच्या गुंडाला नाद आला ग जीवाच्या गुंडाला हे लल्लाटी भंडार तुझं लोटून दे अंधार आलं तुमून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार लल्लाटी भंडार तुझं लोटून दे अंधार आलो तुमून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार डोळा भरून तुझी मुरत पाहिनं तुझा महिना गाईनं तुला घुगऱ्या वाहिनं तुझा भंडारा खाईनं भूक लागली हळदी संगाला भूक लागली हळदी संगाला लल्लाटी भंडार तुझं लोटून दे अंधार आलो तुमून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार लल्लाटी भंडार तुझं लोटून दे अंधार आलो तुमून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार भंडार तुझं लोटून दे अंधार आलो तुमून रांगून डोंगर यंगून उघड देवी दार
with great pleasure, I present to you a heartwarming experience. It is a poem written and recited by Sayak Malik, a TYBSc student, and he tries to capture the experiences and memories of a Xavierite. It is sure to leave you longing to walk through the gates of Xavier's again.
2 years back, we first set foot on the historic grounds of this institute filled with hope and a will to win to make it through all thick and thin. St. Xavier's. So we walk in through the gates, never on time, always slightly late. Don't forget your ID card unless you want to be disbarred. The quad awaits with open arms, with its bright attire and Bollywood charms, but as you stop to appreciate, you realize you're 10 minutes late. And so you run. You run some more through quaint old arches and 100 doors. And after running a zillion miles, you finally reach the 40s granite tiles. And then you learn to ply your trade. You take on the world with your ink-filled blade. With teachers who inspire us, there is never a boring class. Being a helpful and a friendly kin, yet maintaining the discipline. And when the clock says time for lunch, we walk out a starving bunch. We run down the infamous staircase like it's a sequence of a movie chase and somehow reach the foyer benches, greeting familiar faces amid stomach wrenches. The canteen looms like heaven on earth, feeding the famished at its hearth. But what's college without the words? A potpourri of 1,000 modes. That's Xavier's, but it's so much more. We've always got something in store. A fest, an exhibition, an open mic for all, or an extra class, or the ring football. Xavier's is a place to grow, to cultivate the seeds we sow. And although we're all far, far away, we can't wait to get back to our doors. St. Xavier's. These are tough and testing times, millions of lives on the line, yet from many miles away, for Xavier's our heart so binds. Once this passes, and it will, time that had stood so still will take us back to your good old gate. Just remember your ID cards and be slightly late. I know you will. I know I will. Thank you.
wonderful performances put up for you to enjoy. We hope it really refreshed your memory of college. We've tried to incorporate each and every one who is a part of Xavier's, and we sincerely apologize if we miss out on anyone.
We would like to end this video with the national anthem. Thank you all for tuning in. We hope you had fun. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय